Hi, today in front of me HardReset 5G and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then go to the settings and tap the voice section. Click to voice match and to enable the Hey Google feature, click once on the switcher. Then just tap to next, read the description, click to yes I agree, tap to continue. And you will see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. Just Assistant to recognize your voice, you should just add your voice model, so click here retain voice model and say okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now just tap to finish. And now when you'll say okay Google or Hey Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.